International Airport AI Pits Information Bravo, 2156 Zulu. Wind 120 at 6. Visibility 10. 20,000 scattered, ceiling 25,000 broken. Temperature 17. Dew point 5. Altimeter 3022. Notice to airmen. Airport closed. Taxiway Alpha closed between Taxiway Alpha 5 and Taxiway Foxtrot. Increased bird activity in the vicinity of the airport.
Tower Air 30 West ramp, I need to get over to SDF.
Air 30 Bowman Tower departure, we're at BH owners, use caution remain west of runway 15.
West 15, I'm going to go Air 30.
Bowman Tower, Cessna 722 Lima, 8 miles to the east, inbound with information Sierra 22 Lima.
Cessna 722 Lima, Bowman Tower, join the left down for runway 15.
Left down 1 for 15, 22 Lima.
Aircraft, use caution for increased smoke moving in the direction of Bowman from west to east. Aircraft, use caution for smoke moving west to east.
And Bowman Tower 183, we're going to make this a full stop.
Bristol 3 Raleigh, roger, runway 15, clear to land.
15, clear to land, 3 Bravo, anybody.
And Tower for 3 Bravo Tango, we'd like to enter the pattern for a full stop.
0 Tango, roger, enter left down for runway 15.
Left down on runway 15, 3 Bravo Tango.
Bowman Tower, Cessna 691 Tango Charlie, holding shore 15, number 1. We'd like to return back to Airbase 4.
691 Tango Charlie, Bowman Tower, roger, just continue to hold short runway 24.
Bowman Tower, Cessna 85 Delta would like to re-enter the pattern for full stop.
Cessna 85 Delta, roger, and
SDF is closed.
make a left turn flight just heading to 330. Additional aircraft in a traffic pattern. This is all going to have to be a full stop for possible impact over here.
Bowman Airport Information Tango, 2153 Zulu, wind 120 at 5, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 16, dew point 4, altimeter 3022, visual approach runway 15 in use, unable pattern work until further advised.
Bowman Ground, Sky Commander AA, Whiskey Uniform, Airbase 4. Is that smoke covering the airport now?
Number 8 Whiskey Uniform, getting close to Bowman, and we're trying to urge people not to go flying right now because of the Sanford being shut down. We're going to get all their GA airplanes.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'll go ahead and shut down then.
Roger. Diamond 885 Charlie Tango, Bowman Ground. We're suspending operations here because of an incident over at Louisville International and volume we anticipate coming from over there of the GA aircraft. They're shut down over there, so just I would say cancel your flight for now.
Global approach November 733 kilos with you out of 17.7 descending via the Weddell.
Falcon 733 kilo, will approach with altimeter 3021, advising you weather and nothing, just collecting airport on approach if you like.
I would like the ILS to 18. I'm getting the weather. You guys are going to be closed for a while, right?
Yeah, we're going to be closed here for a little while. Expect ILS on my 1 approach to collecting airport.
All right, we'll expect the ILS to 18733 kilo.
647 Mike, Bowman Tower, unable to traffic pattern due to the situation ongoing. If you are planning to park the airspace, that will be fine, but in terms of traffic pattern, that's going to be closed.
When are they shutting everything down?
Well, we were moving towards shutting it down, but we're going to have to let some people in, and if you were actually trying to get somewhere, we can probably get you out.
Roger that, 7 Mike Kilo, thank you.
And number 7 Mike Kilo, actually, can you just hold position? We're gonna hold departures for a while.
Go back to the FBO, actually.
Roger, sorry about that. Taxi back to the ramp.
Taxi back to the ramp, 9 7 Mike Kilo.